In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Then you can change wherever you want to. Following that, just hit save at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!